The chief scientist of this cruise, Dr. Ivona Chetnik, who's with NASA's Earth Science Institute, solicited my advisor, Dr. Nicola Kassar, to deploy one of our measurement methods on this cruise, a chemical method that measures essentially phytoplankton breathing. And so she was really interested in having this measurement on board the cruise, asked for our help, and so I was tasked with accompanying the expedition. So on a daily basis, I was tending to our instrument, which uses a mass spectrometer, which is basically an analytical chemistry device that constantly measures the concentration of various dissolved gases that we were measuring in the seawater. And so the instrument pretty much operates constantly, but I would need to maintain it, fix stuff that went wrong, occasionally perform calibrations and other tasks to make sure that it was running smoothly and measuring accurately. So that was most of my tasks on the cruise. And then I also, of course, whenever the machine was running properly, I would help out with other people who are conducting science and basically pitch in where I could. The science that we were doing is really groundbreaking. I mean, any one group usually only specializes in one measurement, so this was our sort of bread and butter measurement. But when we combine it with a lot of the other advanced techniques that were being used, we had about 3 or 4 different methods that were continuously analyzing different parameters in the seawater. Ours was just one of these, and so when we combine them all together, it creates a much more cohesive scientific picture of what's going on in the surface ocean. And so working with them, learning about their techniques, and then seeing it all working together and having the prospect of interpreting all that data together is really exciting. That's one of the things that's so great about oceanography, is that you get to interact with other people in your field, doing science for like an extended period of time, but also just like hanging out, just eating meals and watching the sunsets together. It's a really cool part of this field that I really love.